So this is Mr. Bams. I just decided to share this with you quickly so that you can understand about the results and store owners we are currently working together. And this will give you like confidence of our approach and ability to deliver results to your business as well. So I'll be presenting few business to you and their results. Here's one of them. Bamboo is alive. Bamboo is better. Sorry. So let's wait till it load. So this store owner is actually a long-term partner. We have been working together over a year now, and the results we have been able to put together has been impressive, which is what I'll be presenting to you because I believe normal word or text to text cannot better explain. Unlike having this visual explanation, we give a better understanding. You can see. So here was the result we have been able to pull over last 30 days. Over 11,000 session and over 23,000 in session. We have over 147 total orders in the last 30 days. This is the kind of results I'm also looking for, like for us to put together for your business. Here is the result from the last 7 days: 4,000 plus in session, and here is 3,000 plus in revenue. Like this is the kind of result I'm also looking for that you also can also generate. Let's check the last 90 days. Here is it. That's 5,000 in total session and sent it. You see, this result is actually great, like when someone see it, but it doesn't happen overnight. It's as a result of compounding effect, implementing various strategy, creating and updating our skill in order to pull this kind of result consistently. And we also incorporate the AI and voice search ranking so that we can also cajole the AI recommendation engine and voice search recommendation engine to consider its website while recommending for people who are launching queries on search engine. You can see here are the results. So this is the kind of results I'm also looking for you to generate, and here's another website as well. Here was the result for last 7 days. Like this business owner, we don't just start yesterday. This one now we have been working together over 2 years plus now, and this is how we are able to generate this kind of result. Let's check the other businesses I'm working with. You can see here's another website right there. Here's the results. Let me expand this so you can understand it's coming live and direct to you. You could see. So here is the result for the last 7 days, and here is another website. Here's another website, sexy something sexy planet. You can see. So these are the results. Like for you to have a better understanding on what this kind of partnership means and what it can deliver to your business. And I look forward to discussing further. Maybe we should have a call. So I'm going to share with you better explanation and how this can also work for your business. Thank you.